Good morning, it's Thursday, February the 21st, and I'm your host for AGORACOM TV, Paul Kandakos. I'm in for your regular host, George Cholis. AGORACOM TV is a daily, fast-paced, edgy show bringing you the best press releases and halts before the open so that you can hopefully profit from them and potentially find your next great small cap investment. Well, we have no halts to report as of this time, but we do have 4 great press releases for you. 2 from the U.S. and 2 from the Canadian side. So without any further ado, let's get to the first one. It's Exousia Advanced Materials. It trades on the OTCBB under the symbol EXOU. More great news coming from this company, and again, it's another one of those Chinese plays which we've told you we love so much. They've got an announcement or a contract that they've recently announced. It's with a top 500 Chinese company. Now, what does a top 500 Chinese company mean? Well, in this case, Northern International Group is the top 500 Chinese company, and they have 33 manufacturing companies in China, and they also have 32 foreign enterprises. So they're one of the big players in China, and Exousia signed a contract with them. And what that means is that NIG, Northern International Group, will take an initial order of 5,000 gallons of Exousia's advanced industrial coatings within 90 days of signing the agreement, and NIG further commits to purchase a minimum of 200,000 gallons in calendar year 2008. What does this mean in terms of dollars? It means that they could generate revenue between $6 to $9 million for fiscal 2008. And thereafter, they'll have an ongoing agreement for the next 10 years where NIG will approach Exousia and tell them what their needs are going to be. In addition, under the terms of the agreement, Exousia will establish an industrial coatings manufacturing facility in Timmins, China to supply NIG's ongoing needs. And if you remember from February the 8th, Exousia announced another contract where they had reached an agreement to sell 225,000 gallons of their Vistamer-based industrial epoxy coatings for between $11 million and $14 million to Chinese distributors. Exousia supplies advanced resins, engineering particles, and industrial products which help to enhance the shelf life and durability of metal products. They're last at 90 cents off their 52-week high of $2. And a disclaimer here, Exousia is an AGORACOM client, so make sure you do diligence on this one. And in addition, if you want more information on this company, you can always come to AGORACOM and go to the Exousia Hub. Next one I have for you is Fortuna Silver Mines, which trades on the TSX Venture under the symbol FVI. Great numbers coming out of Fortuna. They intersected 18.2 meters with 4.9 grams per ton of gold and 503 grams per ton of silver at San Jose, Mexico. So big numbers there, big concentrations. They announced additional drill results from their 2007 drill program at the San Jose silver gold deposit located in EXOU, Mexico. The assay results have been received already for the 17 drill holes, and as I mentioned to you, one of the results was from one of the holes. I've got some more results here from hole SJO 108, which intersected multiple high-grade zones within the San Jose vein system. Results include 6.3 grams per ton of gold and 391 grams per ton of silver and 711 grams per ton of silver equivalent over 6.85 meters. Another hole is 2.8 grams per ton of gold and 311 grams per ton of silver over 7.6 meters. And the first hole that I alluded to, which is 4.9 grams per ton of gold and 503 grams per ton of silver. And that's also 752 grams per ton of silver equivalent over 18 meters. So this company also has a 43101 compliant report. So using a cutoff grade of 150 grams per ton of silver, their indicated mineral resource is 17.7 million grams per ton of silver, 17.7 million ounces of silver. And in addition, they've got an inferred mineral resource of 49.1 million ounces of silver equivalent. They're last at $2.49 off their 52-week high of $3.96. Next one I have for you is Timmins Gold Corp, which trades under the TSX symbol TMM. Again, disclaimer time. Timmins is an AGORACOM client, and it's appropriate that they've got a press release this morning because tonight they're sponsoring AGORACOM's Bay Street Hold'em tournament, which takes place every quarter, where we have the biggest brokers, fund managers, and analysts in Toronto which come out to enjoy a poker tournament hosted by AGORACOM where we put up $5,000 in cash. So Timmins Gold is going to be our sponsor for Bay Street Hold'em tonight. So we look forward to seeing Mike and Bruce and the rest of the guys. So getting back to the press release, we've got drilling results from Timmins Gold where they intersected 5.88 grams per ton of gold and 29.9 grams per ton of silver across 24.3 meters at their Tequila Gold project in Mexico. This is the first diamond drill hole of an ongoing program. It's the first phase drill program on its Tequila Gold project, so great results from its very first hole. And again, as I mentioned, it's 24.3 meters, grading an average of 5.88 grams per ton of gold and 29.9 grams per ton of silver. The intersection includes higher grade intervals such as 15 grams per ton of gold over 5.5 meters and the highest grade intervals of 40 grams per ton across 1.55 meters. They're last at 98 cents off their 52-week high of $1.14. And the last one I have for you, we're going back to the U.S. side on the OTCBB, company called Marketing Worldwide Corp, which trades under the symbol MWWC. MWW Automotive Group reports performance for quarter ended December 31st, 07. Their sales increased by 26% and their gross profit increased by 11%. We've also got some great numbers here which are attached to this. The sales for the quarter ended December 31st, 07. They've got revenues of $2.7 million and they've also got gross profits of $1,100,000. Now, the company reported an operating loss of $250,000. However, management attributed the small operating loss to expenses related to the integration of 3 new companies they acquired in 07. As we always say, make sure you do diligence. The numbers look good. The revenues are up. Gross profit is up. Small loss, which is attributed to acquisitions for 07. But as always, do your due diligence. MWW Automotive Group is a global design, engineering, and manufacturing firm serving the world's leading automotive manufacturers. And in addition, recently, MWW Automotive was awarded new programs for automotive accessories on vehicles sold in North America and Europe. The new program for 2009 models manufactured by Toyota are expected to contribute between $7 million to $9 million in their annual sales. They're last at 45 cents. Off their 52-week high of $1.01. That's a wrap for today. Make sure you tune in again tomorrow when we've got more great press releases for you and the stock calls of the day.